Hi, so this is a quick screencast to show Google Search Console and what's actually wrong here. So I've got 95 pages on Scenic Gems that are all similar to the Cape Legrand page. They look the same in structure, that just the content is different. Now, if I have a look in here, um, in Google Search Console, I have 36 valid pages, it tells me. Now, really, there should be about 100 pages that, and I've set up the sitemap. So there's the sitemap. Discovered URLs, 111. So it's discovered them, but the overview is telling me 36 are valid. 8 pages with errors. And where is it? If I go to, here, into coverage, I've got 2 issues. Maybe if I click into it, submitted URL has crawl issue. Submitted URL marked no index. Now I've had a look at this. There's 6 pages that are marked no. I can't find anywhere where it's marked no index on these pages. If I click on it, 6 pages. So there we go. Kakadu is an unprotected page. Noosa is protected. Lamington is protected. Cape Hillsborough is protected. Springbrook protected. And that's really a nothing page. I don't know why that page exists, to be honest. Now, as I said, I don't have any robots text that's blocking it that I know of. If I click on this one, okay, so where's this? So anyway, so I'm a bit lost. I don't know why it's saying that it would have been, these pages were just created and created and created. There was only one robots text to block it to start off with, and I've taken that off. So why some of these pages have a robots text blocking it, I don't know. But more so than that, there's 111 discovered URLs, but I've only got, a portion of them. Where was it? 36 valid pages. So that's kind of where I'm at with Google Search Console. So in Google Analytics, I'm firing up now. And we launched on Facebook. You can see there's some traffic right now because I've put it on Upwork, I imagine. But most of the time, so Cape Legrand, people are having a look at that at the moment in India. So you can see that the tracking is working for Google Analytics. But if I go to, what do I go to? Where do I see overview, isn't it? Like the last 7 days. Where's the last day? I'll just pause it and come back. Okay, so under audience. So we've got an overview here of the day, it looks like. Now if I go, you can see, what is it? It's the 29th today. And as I said, I've just put it on Upwork. So let's go to the 28th until the 28th. Apply. Yeah, so there's very low traffic. Some of them are probably me even. So we've got the website up and running. Analytics is working. Google Console is kind of working. Now, to continue, I'll show you Google First Click Free. So just pause it and be back in 1 second. Okay, so here's the website. You can see that I'm logged out at the moment. So if I go to my Facebook page, and this is a protected page. So because it's an external link, when I click on it, the website is set up so that the gateway, even though the page is protected, you get a free hit on the website. So you can view this page in its entirety without restriction, and you can view 3 pages like this per person per month. Once you get to the 3rd page and then you try to access a 4th, a message will come up saying content restricted, you're being redirected, and it will redirect you to the demo page here, and we'll have the option then of going through the free content that we have. So as I said, you can see the blue markers each link to a page. So there's 7 free pages, and then all of these grey ones, if you are actually logged in, go to the 95 pages. Now, so these are all protected until you log in, but through First Click Free, Google First Click Free, they call it something else. I've put it in the brief. It used to be called Google First Click Free. All of these pages I'm hoping to have indexed in Google, SEO, and the focus is for our pages. So we're doing the best free things to do across Australia. So if I pick, say, the Kakadu page and load that. So this is in should be H1, that should be H2, I think. So Kakadu is a place, just like every other page will be a place. So that, and here we've got the best free things to see and do. So I think I've got that maybe in a H2. And then it just comes down to Kakadu National Park, Kakadu, like there's lots of references to Kakadu National Park, and the best free things to see and do, things to do. So I might have it, a lot of the times I have it somewhere in the text, things to see and do. So we've got roughly 2,000 original words on each of these pages. And then we move into what we call our scenic gems. So this is an actual place in Kakadu called Nolangi Rock. This has been appropriately marked up, I think, with a H2 tag. I think there's done with a heading tag as well. So people might type into Google Nolangi Rock Kakadu because they want to find out about it. We would like to rank for that. Then we have Gunlam at Kakadu. So in terms of keywords, I'm more of the opinion that we've written this with the user in mind and letting the content sort itself out in terms of ranking. You might see differently to that. It's been a huge job writing it. To rewrite it would be, it'd just be too much. I think what we really need is a potentially backlinking strategy. Anything that you can recommend that will see us getting traffic to the website. We're also thinking about putting some Google Ads on this, removing this ad that I've got here, and then instead just here on each one, so having a banner ad here on every single page. So when people search for this, the content is good, the information is good, and they have to put up with the ads, and they click on them and we get paid. Anyway, but I digress. That's something that we're working on at the moment, trying to figure out how to monetize this website. We have found that, it's early days. We've got it listed at $24.95 to unlock all of this content. We've shared it with our friends and family, and I spent $50 on Facebook ads, and we really didn't get any sales. We're hardly getting any engagement. I've got Crazy Egg recordings, and I'm watching what people are doing in Crazy Egg, and there's no interest there, despite this website looking very, very easy to use and navigate, and big pictures and all of that. People don't seem to be engaged. Now, that could be due to the fact that we're not hitting our target audience yet. So that's kind of where we are at the moment. So I hope this video gives you a little bit more information, and let me know your thoughts. Okay, thanks. Cheers.